What's going on, guys? Today we'll be doing another video, and I'm gonna be playing RDR2. So let's get this thing started.
Whoa there. Is Bill there? Yeah. You want to head
Oh yeah,
down?
Bill's over
See
there.
how he's
Who's
getting
Bill?
on?
Huh?
Okay.
We have to go check on Bill.
Yeah.
All right.
How you getting on?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You sure?
Of course.
Can I help a little?
All right. Go ahead and set up the detonator by those rocks over there.
Okay, sure.
Now just unspool the wire and then
What is
attach
this?
it to
Pick
said
up
detonator.
denotator. All right. Keep going over here. Bob, we pro at this, okay?
This is good.
All right. That should do it. You head back up to the others. I got it from here.
All right, we have to go back up there.
About time. I have to say, I'm rather looking forward to this. Just be ready to move quick. And remember the plan. All of you, no mistakes. What's going on? He says all fine.
We'll soon find out.
Everything okay? I think so. Okay, cover your faces. Train should be here any minute now.
All right. Let's see this train get destroyed.
Gentlemen, it's time.
Let's go. Oh, I can't wait. Okay.
All of you. You all know what to
I don't know why, but it's gonna be dope. Come on. Hurry, denotate it. The train's fast passing.
Here we go.
Oh, no.
Shit, no!
It's not working.
Oh, you have got to be kidding me.
Oh, no.
Where did you find that moron? You said it was fine.
Come on! You're pathetic.
We have to
You
go.
know
We have to
that?
go. Jump on the train. Hurry. We need to.
Here we go! Here we go!
Oh, shit. Man down. Man down. Yeah. Just go chill back with the others. No way we're getting.
Hey, down
Oh,
here!
shoot. Do we have to pick him up? Okay, grab Lenny.
Now stop yelling.
Arthur,
Pull. Pull. Ugh.
You're okay. Now, let's go slow this thing down.
where's Javier?
He fell. The others will get him.
Oh, we ain't supposed to go in here? Oh shoot, we need to pull out a gun. I dare him. Y'all hit you with the blicky. Bam! Headshot too.
Yeah, I'm good.
That's some good stuff right there.
He had long enough to set that charge.
Well, I hooked up the wire, but we won't mention that.
We gotta hurry. We have to stop this train.
That's what we're doing, kid.
You don't run on Leviticus cornball train.
Bam, get out of here, kid. Get out of here. Oh shit! Oh, okay.
How you doing there?
I'm okay. We gotta hurry. this train.
That's what we're doing, kid.
Oh, oh, oh. Get out of this.
Got him? I ain't got a clear shot.
Damn, I just bodied him. Stop the train, please. We have to be careful. We don't have that much guns.
Shit, more guards coming out of that train car.
Bam! Get wrecked. Bam!
There better be some money at the end of this.
All these bastards must be guarding something.
Damn it.
Still okay?
I think so.
Good.
Keep moving forward. Bam!
Doing good, kid.
Bam!
Where the hell are the others?
Get out of here, kid.
Shit. Look, they're coming out of
Oh, that's... Bam. Sit the fuck down, T-Series. You're nothing but a real T. Bam! I didn't even know where he was. I just saw the red sight, so I just freaking shot. Balls over. Sit the fuck down, T-Series. You're nothing. Oh, these are like teammates.
why the O'Driscolls brought so many boys up here for this.
Arthur, get over here.
Nice. Where's my horse? Where's my horse? Where's my horse? Get on the shit. Okay, let's go.
All right? Yes, let's get the money and go. We got some fellas holed up in this last car. Ah, shit. What are you boys planning on doing in there? Listen to me. We don't want to kill any of you. Any more of you. I give you my word, but trust me, we will.
I work for Leviticus Cornwall.
Come on, boys.
We got our orders.
Okay. You asked for it.
We ain't
5,
opening this door.
4, 3, 2, 1. Seems our friends have gone deaf. Wake them up a little.
Die, bitch. Die, die, die. If you don't aim, and I know this from Fortnite, if you don't aim, pop, 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 pop.
Morgan and Mr. Smith some dynamite. You two boys go blow that door open. Now, don't matter too much to us, but you boys in there might want to take a step back.
Get out of here.
Seems good enough. Now light the fuse.
Here we go.
Unless you got a death wish. I'd
We have to
step
go.
back, fellers.
Okay. That teaches you for not freaking.
All right, come on. Just walk on out here. We don't want to kill you. We just want to rob your boss. Get on up there. Search that train.
Don't let me get in here. Okay.
Look at this place. It's like a palace.
Now I've
Oh,
seen
shit.
everything. Oh, you two got the safe? I'll search the rest.
Oh, yes. Should be easy as cake. You're just gonna stand there, kid. Pour me some brandy.
Take everything
will ya?
that's here.
Parched.
Shut up. Me and Arthur did all the work.
Yeah, kid did good. Didn't see you rushing to jump on that train.
He's keen. I'll give you that.
Read. Dear Levitus, thanks for the telegram and your continued interest in mining company. However, any news you have received in mismanagement or financial difficulties at the mine Ansberg is simply fake, and I would urge you to question of your sources. The coal industry is quite different from the oil industry in a number of ways, so I certainly remain open to the business meeting at your conference to exchange ideas, to educate each other, and to be delighted to host you in an Ansberg and give you a personal tour of the mine and associated facilities. I look forward to further correspondence. Yours truly, Archibald
Sugar imports
Jameson.
from the Spanish West Indies? A lot
What?
of sugar? Some fancy new
I
boats
don't
ordered
know.
from
There's
Europe?
no secret or anything.
I am not robbing another boat
Is
as
there
long as I
anything
live.
else? Search a drawer.
Have you
Take.
checked all the drawers and cabinets?
Ooh, $25. Okay, bet.
How's it looking in there?
A cigar?
Any luck off it?
What do you mean?
Nothing
We can't
much
take the
yet.
fox or anything?
No, this looks like
Let's
something.
keep looking.
Goddamn O'Driscolls.
How much
These
is
just
that?
seem to
What
be
is that?
contracts.
A bond?
Arthur, have you looked down?
Oh, there's
you
a
got 'em?
passport. We could take that, sell it.
Thank God.
No.
Come on.
Mm. Alright, let's get back out.
What did you find?
These bonds, they worth anything?
Oh, sure. Bearer bonds. I think we can probably sell these pretty easily. Well done. Now, would you get rid of all of this?
The train?
Yeah, get it out of here.
What about them?
What do you think?
I don't know.
It's up to you. Kill them, leave them here, take them with you on the train. Just make sure they don't send no folk after us.
Okay.
See you back at camp. When you get back, we'll be moving on. The rest of you, let's ride!
Alright, bet. We found pretty good stuff. Oh, hell yeah.
Okay. Get on the train. Quick. All of you. Any bright ideas, I kill all three of you. So behave. Come on. Move.
We won't tell a soul, I swear.
Said quick.
Get in.
If I hear so much as a footstep from this car, you'll end up like all your friends out here.
Start train. What else do we need to do?
Oh, for Lord's sake, put that book away and go help. Oh, Mary Beth.
So, we getting out of this hellhole?
We're gonna try. Weather seems stable.
And we just robbed the Leviticus Cornwall train.
We got money in our pockets. The worst is behind us, gentlemen. So the question is, where now?
I know this country a little. I told you, we should set up camp in Horseshoe Overlook near Valentine. We'll be able to hide out there no problem, as long as we keep our noses clean.
Well, then let's go. Clean noses and everything else. Arthur, you're in that one. Bring Hosea. I know you two like to talk about the good old days and what's gone wrong with old Dutch.
My PS4 sounds like it's about to blow up.
Lenny! Micah, get over here!
Yes, boss.
You two ride up ahead, make sure there's no surprises. We've had enough of those.
Me with the boy?
Just go.
Come on, kid. You can buy me a whiskey.
Damn.
Get up there. Let's stick tight.
I gotta say, this is a long drive, but we're finally here. Oh, no, that took like 7-8 minutes to get
I
there.
hope so.
Gentlemen, we have
Whoa.
survived.
For now,
Now, it is time to prosper.
Arthur and I were about to prosper in Blackwater. We were onto something big. Then Micah got you all excited about that ferry, and here we are.
We have all made mistakes over the years, Hosea. Every last one of us. But I kept us together. Kept us alive. Kept the nooses off our neck.
I guess I'm just worried. I ain't got that long, Dutch. I want folks safe before I go.
Me too.
And now we are stuck east of the Grizzlies and out of money, and a long way from our dream of virgin land in the west.
I know, my brother. But we are safe. We make a bit of money here. Then we move again. Head out around them. Be west of Uncle Sam. In a few months, buy some land.
I hope so.
Would you just look around you? This world has its consolations.
Gentlemen, I'm going to head into the local town and, see if I can strike up a little business.
Of course, Herr Strauss. I prefer robbing banks to usury. Seems more dignified somehow. Now, everyone, put your tools down for a moment. Come on, gather round. Quickly now. I know that things have been tough, but we are safe now, and we are far too poor. So it is time for everyone to get to work.
Get to work, but stay out of trouble. Remember, we are itinerant workers.
Laid off when they shut down our factory to the north. Now get out there and see what you can find. Uncle, Reverend Swanson, no more passengers. It is time for everyone to earn their keep.
There is a town a little way down the track named Valentine. Livestock town, all mud and morons, if I remember right. That seems a decent place to start.
And, we need food. Real food. That means every day. One of you.
And remember, whatever it is that you find, the camp gets its slice. Now be sensible out there.
Now the girls have your tent ready, Mr. Morgan. Come with me. You two will be ready shortly. We put you over here.
I'm sure everything will be fine, Miss
here,
Grimshaw.
It should be.
'Cause
Most of
we
your
fr-
stuff from Blackwater got saved.
Everything
We
apart from my
freaking
mother.
starving over there in the
We can always make
where we
more.
live. I mean,
gonna have-
it's freaking cold, and
Miss
right here,
Jackson, I've
campfire.
seen shit
There's
with
no
more common
snow.
sense than you. Do it
Sun
properly.
shining on this. It's a good place. Well, ooh. What? We started another chapter. A couple of weeks later. Damn, that looks nice place. Back in the mud.
Got off the mountain, rode east into some pretty enough country called the Heartlands. Ain't been this far east in many a year. Dutch seems a little better. His eyes are sparkling once more. I can see he's thinking a little clearer. I think we all feel a little happier.
Well.
In spite of Blackwater and that whole mess.
Arthur?
Jose?
Quite a day.
Let's hope so.
There's a bunch of the boys already in Valentine. Bill, Charles, and Javier.
Okay.
And Swanson found something down at the train station by the lake, apparently. And Strauss came back with that creepy little smile on his face. I'm sure there's a whole list of unfortunates he's forced money upon.
Thank you. And you?
I'm gonna read a book. Hi, Dutch.
Well, that was that, I guess. I'm gonna see if it says, like, mission complete or something. Yep. So, yeah, that was the end of the mission. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this mission. If you did, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. And this was the end of the chapter, too. So yeah, if you like and subscribe, that makes me know that you guys want to see more videos. So hopefully you guys enjoyed it. If you do, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. I'm out. Peace.